Because I'll tell you something, if I can't repeat your lab with your instructions, they've got to be better than that.
Should I move this?
But I need it for, do you need it? No. Yeah, then don't.
You understand?
Good morning, scientists. What's going on over here? What are you guys testing? So you started out with M&Ms in pure water, yeah?
Yeah.
And now, what are you doing? What did you change?
We're just changing the amount of baking soda that we're putting in each test.
So you added different amounts of baking soda to the water.
Yeah.
Wow. And what are you measuring?
The amount of color that spreads in the water and the amount of time that it takes for the M&M's color to dissolve.
So how are you measuring that?
What's wrong with your
Let's
procedure?
talk units.
I'm measuring mine by minutes,
So
and
think,
I think Daniel's measuring his by millimeters.
So what are you measuring by minutes?
It's good to have a couple of pieces of
So
data.
like, I don't know how to explain it.
Do you understand how we're rating
How
on this
much of the color, like
Some of the test results?
like
Yeah,
how long does it take for the color to come off the M&M?
So you're just measuring the time at which the M&M no longer has any color left on it.
Yeah.
So you're measuring
Because you're going to have
time
some
until it becomes completely white.
and you're doing
Yeah.
some of that already.
Ground. Yeah.
And what's your partner measuring?
the
Daniel, come explain to me, what are you measuring?
The spread of the powder on the M&M.
Powder?
And yeah, I
The
don't
color?
know whatever the color is that they make up.
Show me.
Show you. So the yellow here is what we're measuring and how far it spreads. And
Distance of that spread over time?
yeah, over
So you're-
5 minutes.
So what units are you using to measure that?
Millimeters.
Using that ruler there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you think's going to happen here?
I think that it will take a faster amount of time when using more baking soda rather than no baking soda at all.
So, hold on. Let me clarify that a little bit. Are you telling me that you think the color will spread faster
In a smaller amount of time. Yeah.
in the smaller amount of what?
Time. Yeah.
I'm sorry. The color will spread faster in water that has more baking soda in it.
Yeah.
Why do you think that?
Because baking soda, what's the word? Evaporates in water.
Dissolves or evaporates?
Dissolves in water, and we think that when getting the baking soda on the M&M itself will help the powder. What's the word? Sorry.
The coating.
Yeah, decode it a little quicker.
Why? Why do you think that?
It has, since we think baking soda dissolves quicker in water, we think this will affect the time period of the M&M because the M&M powder is spreading. Because when getting on the surface of the M&M, it will, we think that it will spread faster.
Okay. You don't have any scientific kind of chemical explanation for that.
It's got acid in it too, so it might just like help the process.
Baking soda makes that water acidic?
I guess in a way it does, cause like it's got acid in baking soda, so like if we add it into the water.
Okay. All right. Make sure you cite those sources in your lab materials. All right.